Hello, fabulous fashionist. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Design. If you are new here, I am Inaya Ali, and I am thrilled to have you join me today. Whether you are just browsing for some stylish inspiration or you are no a quest to remember your elegant blouse, bodycon dresses design, you have come to the right place. Here are Fashion Design. We are all about keeping you updated on the latest trends, offering style tips and helping you find pieces that make you look and feel amazing. If you love discovering what's hot in the fashion and how to incorporate it into your everyday life, you are going to love it here. Today we are diving into a topic that perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance and modernity to their bodycon dresses for the parties and anniversaries and everyday anyone. You might be thinking bodycon for work. Absolutely, these dresses are not just for night out or special events. With the right styling, they can be fantastic addition to your professional wardrobe. So why bodycon dresses? These dresses are designed to hug your bodycon and accentuates your curves, but do not let that scare you off. The beauty of bodycon dresses lies in their versatility. With the right fabric, length and accessories, they can be always appreciated, chic and comfortable. In today's videos, we have explored some of the most trending bodycon dresses that are making waves this season. We will talk about wear styles from classic black to vibrant patterns and how you can make them work for a professional setting. I will also share tips on how to choose the best bodycon dresses for your body type and some easy way to style them to fit your office environment. But that not will I want to hear from you. Have you ever worn a bodycon dresses to work, or are you thinking about trying it out? Drop a comment below and let me know your thought or question. I love hearing from you, and your feedback help and create content that I will love. Before we jump into the fashion fun, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about exploring office wear bodycon dresses, and do not forget to share it with your friends who might be looking for some stylish workwear inspiration. Alright, get started. Grab a cup of coffee or tea, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of bodycon dresses. There are not only trending but are perfect making of fabulous impression at the office. Ready? Let's go. Hi fashion lovers. So we are all about bringing you the latest fashion trends, particles, style, tips, and inspiration to elevate your wardrobe. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasions or just want to look fabulous at work, we have got you covered. If you have not subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to share it with your friends who loves fashion just as much as you do. So let's talk about bodycon dresses. You might think these from fitting ward wonders are just for date night or parties, but trust me, when styled right, they are game changer for your office wardrobe. I remember when I first started an experiment with bodycon dresses for work. It fit like a blood move, but it completely transformed my workwear game, and I am here to share all my tips and tricks with you. Latest blouse bodycon dresses are fantastic because they can be both sleek and stylish while showing off your personal styles. They are designed to embrace your shape, and with the right fabric and accessories, they can look effortlessly professional. Imagine walking into the office with a dress that not only fits you perfectly but also makes you feel confident and ready to tackle anything the day throws at you. In this video, we are going to explore a variety of bodycon dresses that are constantly trending for timeless, classic, the blurred new styles. But before we get started, I would not love to hear from you. Have you ever worn a bodycon dresses to work? How did you style it and what was your experience? Or maybe you are considering trying one out and have some question. Leave a comment below. I read every single one and love interacting with you. Your feedback not only help and make better content but also connects us as a community of fashions. If you are enjoying the content so far, do not forget to hit that like button. Your support means the world to me and help me create more awesome videos for you. And if you have not subscribed yet, join our fashion family by clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell so you never miss out on any of our style tips and trends update. Alright, let's get into it. Whether you are gearing up for a big presentation or just want to elevate your already everyday latest blouse dressing bodycon dresses, and we have got a fantastic lineup of bodycon dresses to explore. So grab a comfy seats, maybe a cup of your favorite drink, and let's dive into how you can make bodycon dresses work for your office style. Let's start. Let's go. So for corporate and latest blouse bodycon dresses, more formal dresses code, you can still rock a bodycon dresses while keeping it professional. Opting for dresses in a classic color like navy gray and black, a high neckline and knee-length himaki. Pair your dress with a tailored blazer and close to pumps for a polished look. A structured handbag complete the outfits and add a touch. In creative workplace, you have a bit more freedom to express your personal style. Go for bodycon dresses in vibrant colors or interesting patterns. Do not be afraid and experiment with texture and fabric layer with a chic cardigan or a statement belt to add some flair. Accessorize with blurred jewelry to showcase your gravity while remaining office opportunities. So check out these fashion ideas, and we have covered so much today, from styling tips to fabric choice and how to make bodycon dresses work for any office environment. I hope you found these tips useful and inspiring. If you enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use a bit of fashion inspiration. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, fashion design, style tips and trends update. Please subscribe to my channel Fashion Design and press the bell icon. Like, share, comments this video and families, relatives and friends. Thank you so much for watching. I am looking forward to seeing